everyone, did you miss me? Woohoo, I'm back. You're probably thinking, what? Well, I didn't post a film last week and I felt really bad. It's the first time I think in the 18 months that I haven't posted a film. I got the flu and I was really panicking. Oh, I need to do it. And then I couldn't. And guess what? The world didn't blow up. And here I am back. So I'm sorry about last week. And I normally have a bank of films that if I'm really busy at work, I just kind of like upload them and off we go. So it kind of keeps it nice and fluid. But yeah, messed up last week. Anyway, moving on. On Monday, there was a big new skincare launch in London, which I was very lucky enough to go to. It was the launch in the UK of Drunk Elephant. Now, for those of you who don't know anything about what I'm talking about, probably most of my American subscribers will, it's kind of cool, isn't it? Because when I've been speaking to friends outside my beauty bubble, they're like, what? What are you talking about? I'm sort of like, carry on, go Drunk Elephant, and acids and oils, marula, and they're like, sorry, can you just start from the beginning? I actually don't know how the name came about. I mean, I know why it's called it, but I'm assuming that they just kind of went for something so random that people remember it, because that is just simple genius, right? It's called Drunk Elephant because all the products contain an oil called marula oil. Now, marula oil is not new. It comes from the seed, the nut in the fruit from the marula tree in Africa. And it's been used in products, cosmetics, hair products for a long time. But the creator, Tiffany Masterton, has put them in all of the products. She absolutely loves this oil. What happens is when the elephants eat the fermenting fruits, they get a little bit giggly, you know, a bit fuzzy, a bit tipsy. Hence why it's called Drunk Elephant. Anyway, I'm going off track, sorry. It's called Drunk Elephant and it's really fun, really bright. I love the marketing and the concept. It really kind of builds excitement. And there's been a huge amount of excitement about this brand and I've been reading about it. I haven't tried any of the products until like the last few days. So this isn't a review on what you should buy and what I love. I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of a taster. So first of all, the packaging is all these wonderful bright colours, which I love. I'm not so keen on the baby blue. I really love the neons and the brights. But I feel when I'm using this, which can I just say, genius packaging. No leakage. If you travel a lot, you will love this. Just literally comes out like that. This is a really lovely, it's called Be Hydrate Intensive Hydration Serum. So it contains lots of hyaluronic. Great for dry skins. I love the packaging, and then once I've been using it, I'm like, oh, I feel like I'm using something for babies, but then I love that colour, so I'm being really pedantic. So this has hyaluronic in and pineapple ceramide, and the ethos of the brand is that it's completely clean, environmentally friendly, cruelty-free, and it doesn't contain any what they see or Tiffany sees as nasty. So there's no essential oils, there's no silicons, there's no sulfates. Any product, there's 6 in total. If you go and look at the website, you can see it in much more detail. 6 products in total that she thinks and believes that can irritate people's skin, and she's probably right. But I also like to use some great products that do have silicons in, and I am able to use essential oils on my skin and not have a reaction. So if you are a person who literally reacts to everything and is so sensitized by the smallest things, then maybe get rid of everything you've got and try these products, because everyone who has had reactions to products and they can't find the ingredients that are really causing their skin stress or changing the texture of their skin or causing sensitivity, this might be your answer. And in actual fact, if you go to Space NK or Cult Beauty, they're the 2 places that are selling them, you can get a pack, I think it's £90, of all little trial size or travel size products. So maybe start there and then try your routine rather than going for the full size to see which one works. By the way, it is actually still cheaper in America, which is slightly annoying, I think. It's the same price, $90, £90, so we end up paying more. So if you are going to America, I suggest you buy it there, just to save a few little pennies. Right, I've just ordered the vitamin C. For those of you who follow me, I love a vitamin C. I've got lots of pigmentation. I will keep this pigmentation at bay. I'm doing my best. Anyway, it gives a lovely brightness to my skin where it was almost quite flat before. So this is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, and as you know, I love an oil, and we're coming into that season where I will use oils much, much more. I use them every time I make someone up. I have them in my handbag, in my car, a bit like a lipstick around the house. I'm always like patty pat pat. Got dry skin, and yeah, oils really suit my face. I actually used this in my hair today. I did a little bit of a tongue just to kind of look a little bit nicer for you all, and it looked a bit dry, so I thought, well, this is a perfect time, isn't it? And as you can see, I've got the oil, but it's still quite light. So exactly what it says on the tin. If you use marula in its purest form, the molecules are very, very small. So they don't sit on the surface of your skin, they go inside your skin, and so they don't block your pores. So that's great if you suffer with any blemishes or acne. You should still be able to use this very slightly if you're really struggling with dryness. Perfect for someone like me who likes to wear it with foundation, over foundation, and at night time. Only thing I would say is obviously just use this as your last top coat. You don't want to block any other active ingredients. So with all the Drunk Elephant products, they want you to be able to mix them together. You can be your own chemist, deciding on what products that you want for your skin, whether you want an AHA, whether you want a hyaluronic, similar to what we've been doing anyway, but obviously all under one house. And because they don't have any of those irritants, you shouldn't find that you get any reaction. But life is not that simple, is it? And of course, there are going to be reactions, but if you haven't tried this brand before and you are one of those people that's just hitting your head against the wall going, why? This might be the brand for you. Really cool, really successful. I've just bought the vitamin C, like I said. I'm going to be trying the AHA at night and the hyaluronic. Now, one thing I will say, for someone who just loves fragrance and texture, and I love that factor when I put a product on, well, there's none of that with this because there's no fragrance in it. So again, if you like fragrance, and you won't like this brand, but you can put it on your face, does the job, great skin. Tiffany Masterton, the founder of Drunk Elephant, says that this has literally transformed her skin, as did many of the people that were at the event. And I spoke in depth to many of the people that work on Drunk Elephant. And of course they're going to be biased, they're going to say it, but they were very, very genuine, and I really believe this is a fantastic way of bringing a clear message of using lots of different active ingredients, hydrating ingredients, pure, bespoke products for your skin without any other products that aren't really going to benefit your skin. Anyway, I will get back to you, I think in fair enough, probably about 3 or 4 weeks to let you know my experience of the brand and the key products that I love and that I'm still using. If you've tried the products, especially if you're in the States, please let me know your thoughts. Great to have a feedback because obviously you guys learn a little bit from me, but you also learn from each other, which is really great. Thanks very much and have a lovely weekend. See you soon.